Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are met. Sign into the team's desktop app and update it. Once done, verify your Microsoft 365 license and that transcription is allowed by meeting policy. This is why many options are hidden. Then, start the meeting as organizer or co-organizer. After the meeting opens, click More Actions in the meeting controls and choose Start Transcription. This triggers the service. It captures spoken words and timestamps them in the meeting chat so participants can follow along. Once the transcription is running, you manage it actively. Pick the spoken language if prompted so accuracy improves. Make sure participants can view the live transcript in the meeting chat. That visual cue confirms it's working. If you need privacy for a moment, use pause or stop. This prevents further capture until you resume, and it's why control matters. After the meeting, the transcript is saved to chat or the tenant store, so you can review, search, or share the text later. To finish, open the meeting chat or Files tab to find and download the transcript as TXT or VTT. That's how you archive and share captions. Make sure you set appropriate sharing permissions so attendees and external guests can access the file. If transcription didn't appear, first confirm tenant meeting policies and organizer rights. Then update the team's app and retry, because outdated clients often fail. If problems persist, contact your IT admin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.